What's up guys, Tom here. In this video, let's talk about how to make affiliate marketing work for you once and for all. Okay, so let's keep it very straight to the point. Okay, content. Okay, focus on content, but not just content. If you're just starting out to do videos and starting to do your own videos, focus on quantity. Okay, you want to get better at doing videos, so focus on quantity, then focus on quality. Okay. And it's not easy creating videos. I know, I've been there, guys. Okay, a lot of people been there. But it's your turn. You know you want to do videos, but you're just something is stopping you from jumping across to the other side of the bridge, right? It's a doubt. It's a doubt. It's an illusion. Okay? So what I suggest is that content is you need to focus on content. You do need funnels, but but what you need to focus on is just content. Focus on volume. Focus more on volume when it comes towards it. Just upload your content. Who cares what people think? You can even unlist it. Like, for example, to not let other people view it yet, right? If that's been bothering you. So you got to create your own videos, because when you create your video, it's the now, guys. Marketing, digital marketing is always changing. Okay? The traditional way of affiliate marketing no longer works. Okay, you got to get in a video. Okay, and just wanted to go and tell you this because this is crucially important. Okay, and so once and for all, I'm going to show you guys this one-page affiliate marketing plan. Okay, you guys can customize this to give you guys more simplicity. Okay, so you guys can see, move my big head out of the way. You guys can see this is the one-page affiliate marketing plan. Let's keep it very simple. I call this the 3-1 rule. One offer, one funnel, one traffic. Okay, it's not a million funnels out there. You need funnels. You got to learn funnels, but just pick one. Okay, you just needed one affiliate offer and one traffic source. You guys can see it could be the one offer, it could be a YouTube course. It could be that one funnel, that lead capture funnel. So I want you guys I'm going to give you guys, if you guys want this one-page affiliate marketing plan, drop me a line below this video, or look at the description underneath this video. It's 100% free. So you guys can either customize. I just want you guys to give you guys an example on what you guys can do. Like, what's your lead magnet? Pop an image over there. The messaging, use ChatGPT, but obviously don't rely on ChatGPT, okay? It's better to put your own personality with it, but you can leverage ChatGPT with it. I highly encourage the best mapper tool that I recommend for massive clarity. Check that out. You guys can go and check on my top. If you guys don't have affiliate offers to promote, I'll show you guys that as well. 40 top affiliate offers that are booming right now, that are not ClickBank offers. These are really good ones. They're continuity offers, and it's 100% free to go and create. Okay, you guys can go and check that out. So you guys can see, once you got your affiliate link, you put your affiliate link here for maximum clarity. Okay, same goes with your landing pages. Put it down for maximum clarity. And every time when you are starting to create your own content or your own marketing or your plan when it comes towards structuring your affiliate marketing business, you guys can see, you have a more visual kind of aspect. This is crucially important. Okay, because what happens is that a lot of people, they get overwhelmed, they get information overload, they're jumping from YouTube after YouTube. It's what you're doing right there is called mental fatigue. You're mental fatiguing yourself, and you're mentally stressing yourself when you're jumping from one task to the other, and you got to be careful with this stuff. That's why this is why I created this for you. It's called the one-page affiliate marketing plan. And the cool part is, once you guys want this, so it's 100% free, make sure you just click on file, and you just hover and click on making a copy. So once you do that, you got your own copy, and you guys can customize this the way how you want it. This is crucially important. Okay, so once again, one offer, right? It's very simple. One offer, one funnel, one traffic. Okay, you don't need 5 traffic sources yet, because that's scaling, right? You just want to focus on one thing, then you can just diversify, but just don't even focus on diversification right now. Okay, so when it comes towards this, just have it simple. Okay, Just have that one page affiliate marketing plan. I'm going to do this. And always remember, okay, content is king. Okay, content is king. You gotta create your own video. Look at all the gurus in this space, right? You gotta be very careful with these gurus in this space. They'll try to get you to focus on like webinars. Why are you gonna focus on webinars when you haven't even nurtured and cultivated your people? You know how difficult it is to get people to convert on cold traffic alone, and not even just that. Like, the leads are super expensive when it comes to paid ads when you're doing webinars. Be very careful with those. Okay. So on top of that, I'm going to be teaching you guys more strategies when it comes to how to do retargeting. Super powerful. A lot of people don't know. And I'm going to show you guys how to leverage email marketing with retargeting and how to do social media the right way of doing social media. Okay, so check out my next videos, guys. Okay, so right now I just want to make sure for once and for all, you need a one-page affiliate marketing plan. Okay, you guys can customize it so you guys don't go all over the place. Right? I notice so many people are just running into figure eights, doing what they're like, listening to other people about, oh yeah, do this strategy, do that strategy, upload all your like social media, like upload, and that's like the long way to do things. And